Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you haven't been here before, today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Profusion Cosmetics Here Lies Jester palette. I gotten a couple of these palettes previously, but I went back to get some of the stuff I didn't pick up, and I decided to pick this one up as well. So I'm going to do a little look with this and play with some of the products that I got and see what kind of look we can come up with. So if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, let me take off my glasses and put on my ears. I did my brows with the e.l.f. No, that's my brush. I did my brows with the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. And I primed my eyes with the ColourPop Creme Shadow in Laurel. And we're just going to go into it. Now these are still available on their website. I checked right before I started filming, so they are still available, all three of them. I haven't used one of them yet. I've only used the one that I did the kind of Freddy Krueger look with. I did get some more of the glitters. I'm going to see about trying the glitters again. We'll just kind of see how everything plays out, but first, I'm going to take this shade Lucky right here, and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. Gotta remember these are super pigmented. It's not showing up a ton. Alright, so I'm going to take Rain, this purple down here, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Alright, now I'm going to take a little bit of the NYX Glitter Primer. And just whack that on everywhere. And I'm taking the Profusion Pressed Glitter Pigment in Iridescent. And I'm going to tap a little bit of that on my lids. I'm taking a cotton reel with some micellar water and going to clean up any fallout or edges. I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. Taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Soft Ivory. I'm just going to swipe that all over my face. And I'm blending that out with my Sigma multitasker brush. Alright, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C3. And I'm going to put that on my under eyes. And I'm blending it out with my concealer brush. And I'm going to put a little bit of number 7 powder in light just to set that concealer. I'm taking the Soul Face and Body Bronzing Balm. And I'm going to use that as my bronzer today. I'm going down the neck. And I'm taking the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush in 110 Nude Flush. And I'm going to put that on the back of my hand first. Take a little bit with my brush and blend it out on my cheeks. And I'm taking the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3 by Juvia's Place. I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. I'm going to take Rain again right here, and I'm going to put that in my lower lash line. I'm going to throw on some Thrive mascara real quick, and I'll be right back. I got some more of their RIP lip, matte lip, and I'm going to take the little, it comes in this little coffin box. It's super cute. And I'm going to take the one in purple. And I'm going to put that on my lips, get a little wild. Actually kind of a wearable purple. It's not like super bright and looks really nice. So I'm going to use the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last Mango Coconut Spray. Alright, well this is the final look using the Profusion Halloween collection. We use the Here Lies Jester palette for the eyes, and the glitter, the pressed glitter pigment and iridescent, and use the RIP matte lip in purple. I really like these matte lips. Last time they kind of rubbed off, real easy, but I'm still kind of testing them out and seeing, you know, how they do, if I needed to let them dry down a little bit more or whatnot. But the eyeshadow palette's really pigmented, really good, the same wonderful Profusion formula. The glitter, it's glitter. It's going to get everywhere. I think it looks really pretty. I think it turned out really good. Real glowy. And kind of has a whole Frankenstein look going on. But I keep feeling like I got a piece in my eye though. But I don't see anything. So I don't know. It's probably just me. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the glitter. As long as you don't mind the glitter fallout, even with my glitter primer, some of it got underneath, but that's just something that's going to happen with glitter. Not as bad as it did last time. It's a little bit better. I don't think I pouted on there as much as I did last time. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this look. I think it turned out great. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.